Hey friends, welcome to my channel. If you're brand new around here, my name is Gina and I'm so excited to be sharing this video. This is something brand new from Illustrated Faith by the designer and creator Kelly Bangs Creative. This is called My Faith Place Kit Volume 1, and first of all, look how cute that mailing envelope is. For sure saving that to do something with it, to put in my Faith Place binder. Somehow, some way, we are gonna make that happen. So what is My Faith Place? This was set up to be a binder where you can go and put all of your thoughts, your prayers, your resources, basically anything that has to do with your faith life. This first kit, which is volume 1, that means there's going to be more volumes. This has about 47 pieces in it, and I'm measuring it here. It measures the size of an A5, which is about 8 1/4 by 6. So this was made to go inside a planner, inside a binder. I'm probably gonna put mine in a happy planner, and these are like the big pieces that you can use as dividers or to just get you started. There's 3 of them. As you can see, there's something on the front and the back, and this is nice heavy duty cardstock. So this stems from the idea of a war binder. If you've ever heard someone talk about a spiritual war binder, Kelly did a little bit of research on it, and she found out that the term war binder comes from the movie The War Room, where a struggling wife creates her own war room for a place to pray. So therefore, a war binder is like having an entire war room in one convenient location sitting on your desk. And that's kind of the idea behind it, is putting everything in one place where you can easily sit down and add stuff to, whether it's verses, your scripture memorying, prayers for other people. There's loads and loads of ideas that can be used in this. And because we are creatives, like in this Bible journaling community, this was the idea as well, is to make this a fun little cute place that you could add stitching to or add material to, or make your own little files within it, whatever you want to do to have something that you want to like grab and go to on a daily basis. Okay, so next up on the screen we have 6 3x4 little card inserts, and as I was thinking about this, you could really use these inside of a scrapbook too. So remember that when you pick this up, or if you pick this up digitally, you can print these out and like put them in like a little faith-based scrapbook as well as your war binder. So lots of ideas. I will be coming back soon and showing you my setup, my base setup, because Kelly and her business partner Paula G are also offering a Built for Battle War Binder workshop, which is going to be crazy good. So I will give you some more details about that at the end of the video here. These next 2 pieces, these are stickers. So they are cardstock stickers. We have a set of labels, and then we have this word fetty with some little words at the top and some little emoji type arrows and stuff like that. So this is a super cute addition. Okay, and now to the good part. We have ephemera. There is over 25, or there's about 25 oversized pieces of ephemera. This ephemera is so good. So there's so many ways you could use this. You could use this as layering in your war binder. You could punch holes in these. You can use these tickets, which are 1 through 9, as like little title starters or sections. So many different ideas. So while I'm showing you the ephemera, I know I said I was going to come back at the end of this and talk about this Built for Battle workshop, but I'll kind of put it in here right now. So the Built for Battle workshop, you need to go to Kelly Bangs Creative. You can go to her Instagram account and find it from there. There's going to be 18 videos to inspire and help you build your war binder. There's going to be 12 inspiring topic videos, and your girl right here is doing 2 of them. I'm just saying. There's going to be 88 topic ideas for your tabs. That'll be a free printable. You're going to be able to build your binder alongside the community, alongside Kelly and Paula. You're going to be able to make it fluffy with our girl Lisa Standard. Paula G is going to teach us how to learn how to use a Cricut to cut tabs. Those are available in the shop today, and they're super cute. And then you can pack a war binder, supply tote, and organizer, which kind of sounds fun. I've never done that. So that is the Built for Battle workshop. I will link that below. This is looking back through the set. Like I said, this is a kit. This is volume 1, so 3 more are going to come out. So this is going to be like a year-long project, a project where you can just continue to add stuff to it. So make sure whatever you're putting it in, you can make it chunky. So y'all, I hope you like this. I'm super excited about this. I know Kelly and Paula are super excited about it. It's really cool to see something that, was an idea come to fruition. So friends, I hope you'll join us with My Fave Place. More information is below. Know that you are loved, and bless up, my friends. I will see you soon.